There are some smartphone upgrades from popular brands that we don't always agree on, like the Apple's Courage, removing the headphone jack so they can push wireless earbuds, removing the micro SD card expansion so they can upsell the higher storage capacity that's even more expensive than the base configuration, and even taking out the option to have replaceable batteries so they can upsell the battery replacement program that's super darn expensive. And these popular brands are money grabbers. They will do some crazy things just to get that extra few dollars from your pocket, and honestly, we shouldn't support them by continuously buying what they give us. But what if there's a phone right now that offers everything I mentioned and not just giving you a few things, but a full package from the design, performance to features, coming from one of the reputable rugged phone brands, RugOne, that offers audio jack, micro SD card expansion, and swappable batteries that everyone has been waiting for to go back. And not just that, even adding explosive speaker and great looking design to match up the latest phones today. We are reviewing the latest RugOne Xever 8, finally a brand that we can trust to deliver what we need. Alright, I feel like I'm doing the review backwards. The first two sections of my reviews are normally at the end of my review, but there are some serious upgrades on these two categories that I need to highlight so you will understand how big of a deal this phone is. Let's talk about the basic and the highlights. Starting with the basic, we got 4,800 mAh battery, same as what we have on some flagship phones. This offers 7 hours of video playback, a full day of call time, and almost 2 weeks of standby time if you're not using the phone at all. This phone supports 18 watts fast charging, and for almost 5,000 mAh battery, that's good enough to charge this phone in more or less an hour. This also serves as a power bank because it can do reverse charging. But the three biggest features of the battery is, first, it's great to have 1,000 battery cycle guaranteed. So you are guaranteed 3 years that you will be able to use this in full capacity. But the best feature of all is this is swappable, like those Nokia days where you can just swap the batteries in an instant if you have a spare battery. But it doesn't stop there. I mean, the battery review is getting better and better because you got 2 minutes to hot swap the battery and you don't have to turn off the phone because there's a battery backup inside the phone. On my unboxing earlier, RugOne provided a really cool charging station where you can charge the phone and the battery at the same time. You can do it via USB-C or using a docking station and simultaneously charging it with a backup battery. At the back, you have a dual latch security for battery cover, so the battery would stay perfectly seated, and this is a full IP68 and IP69K protected. You can even swim with this phone even with swappable batteries. I think overall, people will buy this just for this feature alone, but let's talk about all the remaining features so you would know what you will get out of $400 or less. Next up is the audio. We're not talking about a regular ordinary audio that's bottom firing speaker with all these gimmicks of high resolution Dolby Atmos. That means nothing on real life usage. The speaker of this phone is phenomenal. It has a Sonic X system with that massive 117 decibel of pure power. For those specs junkie, it's a 13 by 26 mm and 14 by 20 mm dual drivers paired with a heavy hitting 4cc of sound cavity, which usually 1cc for a standard smartphone speaker. Honestly, it's a professional audio built in on a smartphone. It's back-facing speaker, which means if you put the phone on a desk, this even creates a huge boombox effect. Here, I will give you some sample audio of an iPhone and the Sonic X speaker from RugOne Xever 8. This is the new DJI Pocket 4 and this is a game changer for content creators. I actually played around with this camera already because I forgot. This is the new DJI Pocket 4 and this is a game changer for content creators. I actually played around with this camera already because I forgot. These are ridiculous reviews for audio and batteries, right? But what if I tell you there's more than this phone can offer? And adding the design, at the back clearly you would see the inspiration. It looks like an iPhone 17 Pro. I asked a few friends of mine what phone I'm holding and all of them thought I'm using an iPhone 17 Pro with a cool case. The design is really eye-catching, especially if you put a mismatched battery cover like that camo cover that they have on the package. Make the phone 2 times better than the original look. And if you think that having a swappable battery that it would lose protection, this phone has IP68 and IP69K rating with all the rugged protection and build. This phone is absolutely dust sealed. You can even submerge the water up to 2 meters in 30 minutes. You can even dive with this phone, and dropping this above 2 meters is perfectly fine. But something that this phone other rugged phones doesn't have is the slimmer form factor. RugOne doesn't need to put the biggest battery capacity here because it's swappable and only weighs 320 grams. We got some rugged phones that 3 times as heavy as this. This is like a typical iPhone with an outer box case. That's how lightweight and thin this is. And checking the phone all around, this is a combination of plastic, rubber, and metal on the side. You will have the metal buttons. On the edge, we got the rubber and some plastic parts like the battery cover, which again is swappable just in case you damage it while using. Going to the front of the phone, you got a 6.5-inch fluid display, which means you got 120Hz refresh rate on a full HD plus display that provides 680 nits of peak brightness. It's not the brightest screen in the market, but because it's an LCD screen, every individual pixels light up, giving you that extra boost. You don't have that deep blacks like an AMOLED screen, but the colors are popping out a bit more and livelier because it's an LCD screen. Looking at the side of the display, bezels are slightly thicker, but the best thing about the screen is it's covered by Gorilla Glass 3 and adding that screen protector pre-installed and an extra tempered glass on the package. Now, to make use of the display and great audio, we must have good performance on this phone, and Xever 8 is powered by 6nm MediaTek Helio G200. What it means in real world is it's a great mid-range processor. In comparison, this chip also powers Xiaomi Redmi Note 15 Pro, Tecno Camon 50, and the latest Infinix Hot 60 Pro. On gaming, this is capable of running games like PUBG and the heavy-hitting Genshin Impact at 60 FPS, depending on the settings. This chip even supports up to 200-megapixel camera, 4G connectivity, and Geekbench up to 2,000 points in multi-cores, depending on the RAM configuration. This phone has 8 gigs of onboard RAM that is dynamic, which means you can expand it through the use of the storage. And you have 2 storage configuration here, 128 and 256 gigs. But I would suggest if you have that extra money to go with 256 gigs for the apps. But even if you buy the 128 gigs, there's still 2 terabytes of expansion through micro SD. So you have total freedom of what you wanted to put on this phone, like music, videos, and even storage demanding games and apps. It has 4G connectivity and eSIM ready, so if you're running on a seamless network, then this phone will work. It also has dual physical SIM on the SIM slot, so you have options. Running on the latest Android 16, this phone is a powerhouse in terms of security and responsiveness. With all the AI enhancement and privacy built in on Android 16, you can take advantage of Gemini AI, Magic Eraser, or Image Unblur. You got Google Lens and Translation, and whatever other flagship phone offers on the software category, this phone has it. The launcher is even designed to change from easy mode to a full home screen mode with a lot of theme packs, different colored wallpapers, and icons. Sky's the limit for designing your home screen. And you know what? I can just end my review there because I think for $400 and everything this phone offers, it's just phenomenal. But wait, there's more. There's actually a dual camera system on this phone that's suitable for your everyday activity. It's a dual camera system of 64-megapixel AI camera and 20-megapixel night vision and infrared LEDs that helps with the infrared night vision. In front is a 32-megapixel selfie camera. And starting with daylight photography, the image is good. I should say a solid mid-range performing sensor. You got natural looking colors with good amount of details and sharp on well-lit situation. But when we go on night mode, you got 2 options here, either to shoot with night shots or the night vision camera, which is black and white, but it gives you more information on the image. The camera app offers plethora of really good features from document, film presets, dual video recording, and even go for the Pro Video and Pro mode that other flagship phone offers. On the video side, it can shoot 2K on the rear camera and Full HD on the selfie, not bad for $400, offering you a lot of features outside the camera. And like a true iPhone-inspired phone, there's actually a dedicated camera button that looks like a camera control feature of the iPhone. You can use this to launch the camera and even a shutter when you're using the camera app. This is the recording video feature using the selfie camera on RugOne Xever 8. This is the typical look of my YouTube introduction using the selfie. Let's check the rear cameras. And this is using the rear camera of Xever 8, RugOne Xever 8. This is in 2K. We don't have 4K video recording on Xever 8, but 2K video recording is good enough. And lastly, let's talk about the things that are unique for this phone. Unlike other mid-range phones in the market, this phone has a built-in torch, and we're not using the LED flash. It's a dedicated torch at the top of the phone. You can use this for camping or challenging situations. For spec junkie, it's 230 lumens. That's really bright. This phone supports Widevine L1 certification for Netflix, Hulu, and Disney+, so you would enjoy HD video playback on these streaming platforms. It has NFC for those wireless mobile payments and bus ticketing, a built-in IR blaster that controls your television and other home devices, and a side-mounted fingerprint sensor that acts as a power button. It's really responsive even in sweaty fingers. I would say 7 out of 10. And lastly, like a true rugged phone fashion, it has a dedicated shortcut key on the left side that opens up apps and functions through single click, double click, and long press. So what's your verdict? You only need $400 to get all these features on a smartphone. Stop patronizing those brands that removes essential features so they can sell more and get money out of you. And start supporting a brand that provides everything you need and gives you more than just essentials. I'm actually glad that RugOne sent me Xever 8 or Xever 8 for review, because this is an eye-opener for me that phones can actually have swappable batteries and still retain waterproof protection, unlike bogus claims from other brands. If you need that phone with swappable battery, audio jack, and micro SD card expansion, adding that impressive speaker and rugged protection, this phone is just over $400.